Which part of the digestive system absorbs most of the nutrients from digested food? Correct answer. Small intestine. Small intestine absorbs nutrients through villi. Why do herbivores like cows have longer small intestines compared to carnivores like tigers? Correct answer. D. Cellulose takes longer to digest. As herbivores eat plants that has cellulose, so it takes more time to digest. What is the role of bile juice in digestion? Correct answer. Bile juice neutralizes acidic food from the stomach and emulsifies fats. What is the main reason that bile salts are necessary for fat digestion? Correct answer. D. Bile salts emulsify fats, breaking them into smaller globules. Emulsification of fats is essential because. Correct answer. B. It's necessary because large globules of fats make enzyme action difficult. The acidic food from the stomach must be made alkaline in the small intestine for the action of. Correct answer. D. Pancreatic enzymes require an alkaline medium to work effectively. Which enzymes are present in pancreatic juice? Correct answer. A. Pancreatic juice contains trypsin and lipase. What is the function of intestinal juice? Correct answer. C. Intestinal juice converts complex food into simpler substance. What causes dental caries? Correct answer. A. Acid produced by bacteria on sugars, and this damages the enamel. Why should we brush teeth after eating? Correct answer. C. Brushing removes food particles and plaque before bacteria can act on them. Which of the following statements is true about plague? Correct answer. D. Plaque is formed when food particles and bacteria stick to teeth. If dental caries is left untreated, what may happen? Correct answer. D. Microorganisms can reach the pulp of the tooth and cause pain and infection. Why can't saliva alone prevent dental caries completely? Correct answer. B. Plaque forms a layer on teeth which saliva cannot penetrate to neutralize acid. What is the first step in the breakdown of glucose in all organisms? Correct answer. B. Formation of pyruvate. Where does the first step of glucose breakdown take place? Correct answer. C. The initial stage of respiration takes place in cytoplasm. Where does the breakdown of pyruvate into carbon dioxide and water occur? Correct answer. C. It occurs in mitochondria. What change is observed when air is blown into lime water? Correct answer D. Blowing air into lime water turns it into milky. Which gas is responsible for turning lime water milky? Correct answer A. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. What does lime water turning milky in the given activity indicate? Correct answer D. It indicates the presence of carbon dioxide. Why does lime water turn milky faster when a person exhales into it compared to normal air being passed through? Correct answer B. The air we breathe out contains more carbon dioxide. What is the milky appearance in lime water due to? Correct answer A. It is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Which of the following processes releases carbon dioxide? Correct answer D. During respiration, carbon dioxide is released. Anaerobic respiration occurs in? Correct answer B. Anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. What are the end products of anaerobic respiration in yeast? Correct answer D. Carbon dioxide and ethanol. Which of the following is a product of fermentation? Correct answer C. Ethanol.